Welcome guys, in this video we will do an example of binomial distribution. Now this particular example is I have taken from this book by Ravi Singh. So the question says, if 10% of the screws produced by a machine are defective, find the probability that out of 5 screws chosen at random, none is defective, 1 is defective and at most 2 are defective. So it is given in the question that a screw produced by machine is defective, has probability of 10%, that is 0.1. So 0.1 is a chance of a screw produced is defective. So let us describe defective screw by this cross sign. So the probability of screw being non-defective is 1 minus p, 1 minus 0.1, so it will be 0.9. So 0.9 is a probability of screw is non-defective, that is screw is okay. Now we have to find out of 5 screws, so total 5 screws, what is the probability that none is defective. So let us write binomial formula first. Let us say x is number of defective screws. So out of n screws, probability of x screw being defective is ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x. So first we have to find no screw is defective. So we'll put x is equal to 0 here. So out of this n is equal to 5 screws, no is defective. So phi c 0, p is 0.1, 0.1 raised to 0, 0.9 raised to n minus x, n is equal to 5 and x is equal to 0. So it will be 5. So let me calculate using calculator. Phi c 0 is 1, 0.1 raised to 0 is 1 and 0.9 raised to 5. So it is P0 is 0.5905, 0.5905. So out of 5 screws, no screw is defective, has probability of 59, approximately 59%. So there is 59% chance that out of 5 screws, all screws are okay. Now guys, in question 2, we have to find probability that 1 is defective. Out of 5 screws, 1 is defective. Now guys, you don't have to remember this formula to calculate example. You have to just remember how to apply this formula. So it is asked that 1 is defective. Out of 5 screws, 1 is defective. So we have to find P of 1, that is 1 is defective. Now out of 5 screws, 1 is defective. So phi c1, probability of defective is 0.1 and number of screws that are defective, 1 screw is defective. So we'll write exponent 1 and of course remaining will be okay. So 5 minus 1 is total 4 screws are non-defective. So this is probability of being non-defective and exponent is 4, that is number of screws that are non-defective. So let us calculate this. Phi c1 is 5 times 0.1 times 0.9 raised to 4. So 0.5 times 0.9 raised to 4 is equal to so P of 1 is 0.3281. So this is answer of second question. Now we will find answer of our third and final question. Out of 5 screws, at most 2 are defective. So at most 2 means not more than 2. So x value, probability that x value is less than or equal to 2, not more than 2. So this includes no screw is defective, 1 screw is defective and 2 screws are defective. Now we have already calculated P of 0, that is 0.5905. P of 1 is 0.3281. Now we have to calculate P of 2, that is 2 screws are defective. So P of 2 will be phi C2. 0.1 is probability of defective, and there's 2 number of screws that are defective. So 2 number of screws are defective, and remaining are non-defective. 0.9 is probability of non-defective, and number of screws that are non-defective are 3 number of screws. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now let us calculate this using calculator. 5 C2 times 0.1 square times 0.9 raised to 3. So it gives 0.0729. Now we'll put this value here, 0.0729. And let us add all these values. 0.5905 plus 0.3281. So finally you will get your answer of question 3 as probability that at most two screws are defective is 0.9915. So this is answer of our question number 3. Guys, this is end of the video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video. And always thanks for watching.